Okay, so this is part of my continuing efforts to make this stupid Buick run right. I rebuilt the carburetor, which is a Stromberg carburetor. Ooh, fancy. There's still a few things to fix, like the throttle linkage is missing, and the battery is probably garbage, so I have it hooked up to a charger now. But it should, hopefully, cold start, test. Here we go. Key on. So the fuel pump is running, and manually work the throttle. Did I turn the key on? Right, key on. Try again. There it is. Look at that. It actually started cold. I don't believe it. And it's idling. I must have done something halfway right. I think I need to rebuild that starter switch though, because it's sticky. Well, I hope you're happy with the progress.